Okay, what is the topic today, huh? Okay, topic today is, why you ask this question, The moment you ask this question, I worry, You know why? Because today, if you didn't, if you don't know the topic today, that means you didn't do homework, Huh? What is all this about? Revision for triangles, right? You must have this same worksheet with me, or did you do the wrong worksheet? I don't know. Okay, so you need to check, Okay, for those new students, I just want to check with you. Are you aware that you have to watch a video lesson before you attempt the worksheet? Very good. And then existing students, Raymond, do you know that you have to watch a video before you attempt or not? You know, Okay, Irene also, you know, Okay, good. Wow. Minyet, do you know that you have to watch a video lesson? Do you watch or not? Do you have the habit of watching? Don't have. Ayo, then how to do work? Try to watch every lesson before you do. Okay? So because the concepts are all developed in that video, so with the video lesson you watch, you are able to attempt this worksheet lah. Then you get better marks, right or not? So children, please, you have already spent time, your parents have spent money, register you for the online tutorial. Okay, please make full use of it. Okay, watch the video, learn, focus. Then when you come to do your tutorial, that is definitely going to help you. All right, rest assured, you are not alone. I'm here with you, and I'm always here for you every Saturday. I want you to ask questions if you have anything that you didn't know. All right, okay. Raymond, are you ready? Put your toys away. Put your toys away. Yeah, stay focused. I know you could have do well in the topic, but I want you to participate. Those who have done homework and get high marks especially, I want you to participate. How to participate? Use the chat function when I ask question. Any question I ask, you quickly go in, type. Answer. That's all. Okay, so participate very actively. Okay, Jaden also. Okay, let's start with this topic, area of triangle, all this. All right. Now, you have a shaded triangle PQR and the base is PQ. Okay, so wait, this question, he said this is the base. Okay, so PQ is here. Let me do the highlight in purple. So when this is the base, right? Okay, I'm going to turn this base. Okay, so last time when we do this, we say that the height must be perpendicular, right? Now, actually, if you watch the video, before I carry on, I want to see whether are you telling me the truth? Can you remember in the video, Mr. Ong drew how many triangles on the in the beginning of the video? How many? Wow, Remus, good job. Yeah. Okay, 3 triangle, very good. Okay, then I want to ask a question. How many vertex are there in a triangle? You should know what is called a vertex. Yes. Yeah, only Irene answer. Then the rest of them, nothing to do. Jaden, how many vertex are there in a triangle? 3. Okay, the answer is 3. Now, how to tell whether which 3? I do it in another color. Let's check it out. Okay, wait. Okay, I put this. Now, what is a vertex? This is called a vertex. The corner of it. Okay, this is called a vertex. All right. So, how to identify a height? Very simple. You have the 2 vertex as the base already, right? Then where is the third one? The third one is at R. So, what can you do when you come to R? Drop down a vertical height. Drop down a vertical height and must be in dotted line, especially for this part here. Okay, this one must be dotted, imaginary. Okay, then this is a drop down height, which is perpendicular to the base, right? So you have this, then RY must be the height because RY is perpendicular to YD. But YD is not the base. Okay? YD is not a base. I say again. Is YD a base? No, not base. YD is just extended base only. But is it a real base? No. Okay? So this is called the base. So the height will be this one here. Okay? Next question. Find the area of the shaded portion in the rectangle below. All right. Now, you know that there's a one triangle inside, right? The white color triangle. Do you see that or not? Okay. And the question wanted the area of this so-called shaded. Where is the shaded here? Inside here, right now. This is called the shaded part, whereby they didn't ask you for the white part. So the unshaded one is going to cut away. Can I cut this away? Okay, so I'm going to cut away. How to cut this away? I use my area of rectangle. How much to cut away? My question is, okay, so you use the area of the rectangle minus away the white space. Where's the white space? The white triangle. Then you have the colored space. So in the first place, you must know what is the dimension for the white space shaped as a triangle. Right now. So where is the base here? The base is here. Okay. So if this is the base of the white space, now I'm going to fill this up. Then where's the height? Where is the perpendicular height? The perpendicular height must be at the third vertex right now. So this is the first vertex. This is the second vertex. So the third vertex is here. So look at the third vertex to drop it down. Drop it down to where? Here. So 20 is the height of the triangle. Okay, so first thing first, you must find the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle first. Length multiplied by the breadth. Who can tell me what is length, what is breadth? Tell me the dimension, what times what, please. In the chat function. Yes. Correct. Casey, thank you. Yeah. Okay, but my question now is, how to find this area of rectangle? Good. Good. Thank you, Karine. Okay. Karine say it is using the 20 cm and then multiply by 13 cm because of the length and the breadth. So all in all, you will get 260 cm squared. And that is meant for the whole rectangle. But the second thing you need to do is to find the area of the triangle. Because you need to get rid of the triangle to minus it. So half multiply by, what's the formula? Half times base times height. So what is the base here? Anyone can tell me how much is the base? And then I got to sidetrack. Where's the base?
20.
How you get? How you get 20? No, it's not 20. Try again. Okay, yeah. All right, Corinne. Can you help me with the base?
Is 13 minus 7.
Yes, 20 minus 7. Remus, your turn. What is 20 minus 7? Remus? Remus, you there? Okay, good. And now I want you, Remus, to continue. Give me the answer. Half times space times height. And give me the final answer, please. Some more. I want more. Okay. Do you have your answer there, Remus? So what is half times 13 times 20? Yeah, you tell me the answer later, okay? Wait, this one is not what? This one how can be 13? The base is not 13. Wait,
Teacher, I say it's 13 times, it's 13 minus 7 to get
7. Yes, thank you. My mistake. So I was thinking, how come suddenly so big? 13 minus 7, that give you 6. Okay, so now it's half times 6 times 20. Sorry, Remus, I need your half times 6 times 20. Thank you. All right. Yes. So if my answer 60, can I just write 60? That's all? Okay, no. No, then how? What must I do next? I must have another step called finding the area of the shaded. So how to find this area of shaded figure? We call it the portion there. Okay, thank you. Casey? Yeah, very good. 260 minus 60. And that's the answer for 200. That's meant for C. Okay? All right. The next question, number 3. Who still need this page? Anyone? Okay. Wait, got to be patient a bit. Done? Anyone still writing? Okay, if not, then I turn to next page already. Okay, next question, he says, calculate the area of the triangle. So what do you have here? Let's check. We have 3 dimensions given. 3. So what can you do? First thing first, let's check it out. Now, who can identify this? Can I say there's a perpendicular? Can I choose this one? This is the base one. Can I choose this base? Yes or no? Can okay, can then you say can. I do it. Okay. So now I ask a question. What is the area of this triangle? As you say, you have a formula, half times base times height. So what is your base now? Now we have a problem. Where's the base? Who can tell me what is the base of this triangle? Do you see something? So can we use the yellow base of RQ here? I can say RQ is my base also, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Okay. All right. So let me identify this. Okay. RQ, it can be the base. But when RQ is the base, you must have a vertical height, which is PS, right? So PS must be the vertical height. It's not wrong. But then the problem is you have a height of 9.6. But how about base? Do you have the base or not?